Hi guys! Today I'll tell you how to make a whitening face mask for freckles and age spots. To prepare the remedy you'll need a small slice of cucumber, a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of sour cream. Grate a cucumber on a fine grater. Mix a tablespoon of grated cucumber with the other ingredients. Apply the resulting base on cleansed face and leave for 50 minutes. The procedure should be carried out in a horizontal position. After the time, wash your face with warm water. The mask eliminates age spots and freckles. It will also help improve the appearance and even out tone of the skin.